to install Android apps in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And to install Android apps in your Windows 11 10 system, you should install first Windows subsystem for Androids. For this, go to Microsoft Store and here look for Windows subsystem for Androids. Choose WSA side loader APK installer. WSA means Windows subsystem for Androids. Click on it. Choose get WSA side loader APK installer. Click on get and let the window complete the downloading procedure. Once completed, click on open. Now you will receive a message WSA not installed. You need to install Windows subsystem for Android before you can use this program. Please download Amazon App Store from the Microsoft Store and change your region settings. Click install WSA. It will bring you to download Amazon App Store, but this app will not work on your device. Such type of message you will receive. And to install Amazon App Store, change your region setting. Go to Windows settings. Here go to time and language. Scroll down and choose language and region. Here go to region settings, country or region, and select your region as United States. Click on United States and thereafter again go to Microsoft Store. Again go to Microsoft Store and look for Windows Serve System for Androids, or you may also look for Amazon App Store directly and choose WSA side loader installer. Click on open and click on install WSA. Now you will not receive any message and simply download Amazon App Store. Click on install. Another window will open. Get your PC ready for the Amazon App Store. Click on download. And after that, you can easily download or install Android apps in your Windows 10, Windows 11 system. Once downloading procedure completed, now go to Windows search and type Windows Serve System for Androids, and here you will find all your apps installed in your system. That's all.